This cream is a game changer that will elevate your skincare routine to a whole new level. Say hello to luminous, radiant, wrinkle-free skin that you've always dreamed of. Subscribe for more beauty tips, DIY recipes, and much more to keep your skin looking beautiful and healthy. Hey there, beauties! Are you tired of trying countless products to achieve that elusive wrinkle-free, youthful, glowing skin? Today is your lucky day because I've got the ultimate solution for you. Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt disappointed by the dullness and lack of glow and fine lines in your skin? Trust me, I've been there too. But fret not, because I have the perfect remedy that will revolutionize your skincare routine and transform your skin for the better. Are you looking for a natural and effective way to fight signs of aging? As we age, our skin naturally undergoes changes that can lead to the development of fine lines, wrinkles, and loss of elasticity. While there are many commercial anti-aging products available, homemade remedies offer a natural and cost-effective alternative. This anti-aging cream harnesses the power of simple yet potent ingredients that will help you can create a luxurious skincare treatment that targets multiple signs of aging, leaving your skin looking radiant, youthful, and revitalized. Look no further! Today I'll show you how to make the best anti-aging cream for your 4DX skin. Let's dive into ingredients: 2 tablespoons Nivea Cream, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, freshly squeezed, 1 teaspoon milk powder, 1 teaspoon Vaseline petroleum jelly. This anti-aging cream combines the moisturizing properties of Nivea Cream and Vaseline with the exfoliating and brightening effects of lemon juice and the nourishing qualities of milk powder. Nivea Cream and Vaseline provide deep hydration, helping to plump up the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. When combined, these ingredients create a luxurious, creamy formulation that deeply moisturizes, exfoliates, and brightens the skin, resulting in a more youthful and radiant complexion. Preparation: 1. In a clean bowl, combine the Nivea Cream, lemon juice, milk powder, and Vaseline. 2. Mix the ingredients thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. 3. Transfer the mixture into a clean, airtight container for storage. Application method: 1. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. 2. Take a small amount of the homemade cream and apply it evenly to your face and neck. 3. Gently massage the cream into your skin using upward circular motions until it's fully absorbed. 4. Allow the cream to remain on your skin overnight for maximum benefits. 5. Rinse your face with lukewarm water in the morning and follow up with your regular skincare routine. Regular use of this homemade anti-aging cream can help improve skin texture, reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and promote a more youthful and revitalized appearance. Benefits: this anti-aging cream works effectively on over 40 skin by addressing several key concerns commonly associated with aging skin. 1. Hydration. As we age, our skin tends to become drier and loses its ability to retain moisture. The combination of Nivea Cream and Vaseline in this formulation provides intense hydration, replenishing the skin's moisture barrier and helping to plump up fine lines and wrinkles. 2. Exfoliation. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which gently exfoliates the skin, removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. This helps to reveal fresher, younger-looking skin and improves the overall texture and tone of the complexion. 3. Nourishment. Milk powder is rich in lactic acid, vitamins, and minerals that nourish and replenish the skin. It helps to improve skin texture, promote collagen production, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Protection. The emollient properties of Vaseline create a protective barrier on the skin, shielding it from environmental aggressors such as pollution and UV radiation. This helps to prevent further damage to the skin and allows it to heal and regenerate more effectively. Regular use of this cream can help to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improve skin texture and tone, and promote a healthier, more vibrant-looking complexion in individuals age 40 and above. It's time to say goodbye to lackluster skin and hello to a fresh, wrinkle-free, youthful, glowing complexion. So what are you waiting for? Join me on this skincare journey and give this cream a try. I can't wait to hear about your wrinkle-free, youthful, radiant skin transformation. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below. Remember, your skin deserves the best, and this cream is here to deliver just that. Cheers to wrinkle-free, glowing skin. Don't forget to like, comment your experiences, and subscribe to our channel for more natural skincare solutions. Your feedback fuels our passion to create content that serves your needs. Enhance your skin's natural beauty with us. Let's get started. Your feedback helps us to bring more such transformative remedies your way. Please subscribe. Let's embrace natural beauty together.